Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I turned my old jacket into the famous Coachtopia bag. I first made the sewing pattern based on the real dimensions. The pattern is not available in my Etsy shop. First things I did was cutting out the front and the back of the bag using the cleaner parts that does not have any seams. I pinned along the cutting lines in case the layers of the jacket fall apart after cutting, and then cut out 2 more inside layers. Now we have 4 pieces in total for the bags, front and back. Now we can sew the inside and outside layer together. And boom, front and back of the bag is ready. Now we can move on to the side of the bag or the strap of the bag. It's basically 2 long straps. I cut it out with the pattern and then trim out the cotton around the edges so that we can close the edge by folding it twice, using the clip to secure like this. Before sewing it together, we need to quilt the bag with some design. I marked the bag with the pencil and quilted with sewing machine. I still don't know how to use the embroidery foot, so I just use a normal straight stitch to finish it. The result is not the best, but it's good enough. Finally, we're going to attach the front and the back of the bag with the strap. Make sure to close it with double folded edge and it look like this. Now we can sew it together. Lastly, we're going to make my personalized label, just like the Coachtopia original bag did. I used the Inktense color pencil. It is water soluble. It will permanently marked on the textile when water applied. Then we used the metal hook to attach 2 straps and added some decorations. And we are all set with the bag. Thank you for watching. See you next one. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.